Hello everyone, this is Petko Alexandrov and I'm recording nearly at the $20,000 of the Bitcoin. The price failed a few times to break, so I wanted to make a video and explain what is going on, and at the same time I will show you the very first entry that I didn't take for this year. Okay, so I had my setup but I didn't take it. I just stepped back and wanted to see what will happen next, because you see that these resistance lines that we have from 2017 are very strong as expected. One is at the 19,700, the other one is at the 90,000, nearly 900, and the price failed one time, second time, and a third time. That one that I have, which is sticker, is from this year, so that's the resistance from 25th of November, and I will delete it because obviously it doesn't play a role now. I will just remove it from the chart, and what I have is my setup with the system. We're still in an uptrend. I had a failure which allowed me to draw the counter trend line. After that I had the failure of the recent low. All right, here it is. So if I move the chart right where it was, I had the entry earlier today, but I didn't take it because it was just at these resistance lines. Okay, so I didn't buy anything. I really don't feel comfortable if I buy at strong resistance lines. Okay, so these two are the levels where the Bitcoin stopped in 2017. The 20,000 round number is above that. So I would rather prefer to take some profit here instead of buying. Okay, and I've sold the Ripple that I had just because I wanted to secure some profit, since I find it very likely that there will be a pullback, and there was one today. You can see that the price went down to 18,106, which is a huge drop, almost $2,000 for 2 hours, 3 hours, and now it's pushing again. And it's really interesting what will happen for me. Okay, I've talked about it a lot in the last videos. I don't want to talk about it. I personally think it's a matter of time when the price will break above. But even that, I'm not buying at these levels, because if the price pulls back again lower, I would like to buy at a cheaper price and not at such levels. So if I show you the portfolio, you will see that I have sold the Ripple. Here it is, and I have sold it at 0.05351, which added another 250 euro to my portfolio. So the investment that I had here was 600 euro. As you know, that's my entry for the moment with this account. And selling it at that price, I got 250 euro extra, which if I bring my portfolio sheet from this cycle, you will see that I had 42% as a profit. Okay, here it is. So one more time, I sold that Ripple because the Bitcoin is at this strong resistance levels, and there is a huge possibility that it will pull back lower. Even I'm saying that I feel more likely the price will break above, but I wanted to secure some of the profits because most of the cryptos that I have in my portfolio are on profit. The Litecoin is on great profit. I have the EOS on great profit. Ethereum. The Missigo is slightly on a loss, very small one. The Tezos, Chainlink, all the rest that I have are on a very nice profits, and actually I have moved them to my wallets. So you can see that drop here. This is my portfolio going on, and when it reached above the 20,000 of Bulgarian levs, or this is above 10,000 euro, I moved like 70% to my wallets, and here it continues just sideways right now. Okay, so this drop here, or that one, when I've moved the cryptos to the wallet. Right, I've mentioned it a few times that it's not very recommendable to keep your coins on the exchanges. Just keep those that you are planning to buy or sell or trade in the near future. But if you have some that you want to hold for a longer time, and in this case I will be definitely holding some for a longer time because my targets are a little bit far. First one is at the 20,500, next one is at the 28,307, but I think especially the first one won't be far if the price breaks above the 20,000. So we'll see how it will go. Really interesting moment for the Bitcoin. But one more time, it's not really recommendable to keep your coins on the exchanges. You better keep them on safe places as the wallets. And I'm planning very soon to record some more videos about crypto wallets, and that video would be useful to you as well, guys. Alright, so be careful trading at these levels of the Bitcoin. One more time, it's the very first entry that I didn't take, okay? This one here makes perfect sense for my setup, but it was just at these levels, strong resistance levels for the Bitcoin. So we'll see how it goes, okay? No predictions here. If the price continues higher, great, I will be taking a lot of profits from my other coins. If it drops lower, even better, we will buy some more on a cheaper price. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have missed it, and thumbs up if you found the video useful. Cheers!